Yo, it's good. Making cod for lunch tomorrow. Just searing it on the stove top, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna pair it with some asparagus, which I already washed. Check it out. Yo, the spice is pretty spicy, dude. And I'm gonna add some garlic. Yo, let's add the garlic. I didn't chop it up super fine. Just a little bit, you know what I mean? Got a whole clove here. Alright, like I said, I'm just giving it some color. Now I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Yeah, it looks pretty banging, dude. Hope it smells or tastes as good as it smells.